love your child a lot and you express that love towards your child in the form of giving chips, chocolates, cookies, biscuits, toffees, soft drinks, cold drinks, or any of the processed foods very frequently, maybe samosas or pakoras, on a regular basis, that means you are increasing the sugar load, salt load, sodium load in your child's body, leading to a lot of mood swings, behavioral issues, aggression, tantrums, hyperactivities. So this is also a reason why the cases of ADHD are increasing today in children. Number two, if the child is eating a lot of these things, then the taste buds develop for all these things and the child will not like the homemade food. This will lead into poor appetite, leading to a lot of vitamins, minerals and fibers insufficiencies and deficiencies in your child, which will lead to poor nutritional uptake in your child. So it can also lead to malnutrition, the child not developing a proper height, growth, weight. Then child will be much more lean and thin, and very important, the gut will be imbalanced. It will lead to dysbiosis in the gut microbiomes will be imbalanced, which can lead to further constipation, irregular bowel movements, leaky gut. Later on in the life, the child will develop diabetes, hypertension, any of the metabolic disorders, even depression, sadness, inability to express their emotions and point of views. Then weakened immunity, a lot of leaky gut, a lot of inflammation will impair the immune system. The child will be falling sick very frequently, will be prone to infections very frequently. Then a lot of dental cavities or gum issues can develop, and the poor eating habit will be a part of his life in a long run. So if you love your child, then give nutritious food, then give healthy food rather than showing your love in the form of processed food and ultimately making your child sick. So if you want to express your love, then make your child healthy, develop a culture of health in him rather than destroying his future. Thank you so much.